guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do the V-tip design at the top, so just keep watching. So this is the original design by Nailz by Cleo. On Instagram I recreated this exact design. Here's my recreation. Literally one of my favorite sets ever. So Madam Glam actually sent me over the polish I'm going to be using. They sent me this color. It's called Wicked. It's like a burnt orange color. The camera doesn't pick it up that well. And then this really pretty like greeny blue. It's called Blair Waldorf. If you know, you know. They also sent me this color. It's called Mistletoe, but I didn't use it in this video. So we're gonna start with the color Wicked. So the first thing you're gonna do is draw just a line going from the side of the nail towards the tip of it. Think of it like doing V-tips, but you're only doing one side, like the first line you make on that one side. And I just go through and put a line down all 5 of the nails. After I finished those lines, I cured it for a minute. And then I'm using the color Blair Waldorf. And I'm putting that same line but on the opposite side. And if anyone has a question about the brush, I do not have a link for this brush. This is a sample brush I was going to be selling, but I ended up not selling. But you can use any long striping brush on Amazon. I do cut extra bristles off the brushes to make the brush as thin as possible. So after you do the green lines, you go ahead and cure it for a minute. And then after that, we're going to go in with white polish. I'm using the color white from Cololand gel by Tracy Nailz. And we're just going to fill in that nude, where all the nude base is still showing on the V-tips. I'm not gonna lie to you, at this point I was not liking how the design was coming out, but I'm really happy that I continued to finish it because I did like how it looked in the end. So I went ahead and cured that white for a minute, and then I'm going to be using this top coat that Madam Glam also sent me. I also have never used their top coat. This one ended up being a top coat that you do have to wipe off after it comes out the UV lamp. If that's ever happened to you, you cured it for a minute or two and it's still sticky, that means you have to wipe it off with alcohol after. I don't like these top coats, so that was probably like the only negative. Also, I am showing you guys the trick I use when making matte nails. I do put the glossy top coat first and then the matte top coat after. Obviously, I wouldn't be using this wipe one. I would use a non-wipe top coat, but that is what I do. So this is me pulling it out the lamp, and I touched it and it did make a mark. It was still sticky. That's when I realized I did have to wipe it off. So here I am going in with the alcohol, and I don't understand the point of that. Like, it didn't even look good after. So yeah, see, like, what? So this is me going in with the matte top coat, which was the plan all along. I knew from the beginning this was going to be a matte set. And the matte top coat I'm using is Beetles. I honestly love it. It's one of my favorites. They are fresh out the UV lamp. They're super matte. There's no wrinkles, no nothing. That is truly the best trick ever if you want a really nice matte nail. Now I'm going in with white gel polish. Same gel polish I used to do the V-tip. And I'm doing a straight line down the center of the nail. Do not cure it, leave it wet. And we're gonna go in with glitter. For this part I was out of frame, but the rest of the nails I'm not out of frame, so just ignore this part. All I'm doing is dumping this Kiara Sky glitter, and I'm just dumping the glitter over that white line of gel polish. Remember, we did not cure it. And here I am using this little mini lamp Madam Glam also sent to me. I typically don't do this. I just really wanted to try out the lamp. And since this was my first time using anything from them, I wanted to do it now. So I did it for the first few fingers actually. But you don't have to do that. You can put the glitter on all the nails and then cure them all at the same time. But yeah, here I am. Just do the white line and then go in with glitter right after. Right now I put it into the UV lamp for 2 minutes, And then I dusted that glitter off. You do not have to add top coat or anything. Once it's cured, it's stuck in place. Look how pretty they are. They're so pretty. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy I finished this set and did not just give up. Here I am at the end, like I do every set. I file the tips and the nails because after applying all those coats of gel polish, you do lose the shape. And this is how I bring it back. So in the end, my opinion on Madam Glam gel polish, they are so bomb. They are definitely something I would recommend to anyone, especially beginners. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos like this, and I will see you guys next time.